Hey guys, this is Kellen from Electric Wheelchairs USA. In this video, I want to show you more about the Airhawk electric wheelchair. This is a really popular folding electric wheelchair in the industry. It's been around for a long time. I think what makes it very unique is that it folds to a really compact footprint. And I'll show you how it folds. So it's very unique. I haven't seen a folding electric wheelchair fold like that before. And then also, it weighs just 41 pounds. It can support 265 pounds of weight. It's also airline approved, and it comes with 2 batteries as standard. And it comes with an Attendant remote control, which also comes standard. So if you're a caretaker, you can operate this chair so the user doesn't have to use anything. So I'm going to show you more about it, and we'll get into the Airhawk. So I'll show you on the back here. We have 2 freewheel levers, and these will put the chair in freewheel mode. Right now it's in the drive position, so you can't really push the chair. If I flip both of these down and I turn off the joystick, now I can push it like a manual wheelchair. Really like that feature. I'll flip these back up, and now I'm going to turn on the joystick again. On the joystick, I'll show you a few things. You got your speedometer. It is in kilometers per hour. This is your odometer. Here it says gear 5. That is your top speed setting. I can turn it all the way down to 1. If you turn it to 5, there. If I turn it to 5, you can achieve that top speed of around 4 miles per hour. It does have a horn. Sounds like a car horn. These buttons, these arrows right here, there really is not a purpose for these. And obviously here's your power button. Now you also have on the joystick, this is where you charge it directly on the joystick, and that charges both batteries, which are here and here. Also have a USB charging port, so you can charge your cell phone. So when you're traveling with this and you fold it, it's a good idea to remove the joystick, because it could easily get damaged, and you don't want to deal with replacing this. So it's easy to take off by itself. Also, because it's airline approved, the airline's going to require you to remove the batteries. They're easy to remove. You just pull them out here. Easy to access. You got one on each side. I'm not sure if I mentioned it, but between both batteries, you get a 26-mile battery range, which is really nice. Also, the wheels are flat-free tires. Don't have to worry about flats. If there's one thing that I would say that's a con, I would say the foot plate is kind of small. I wear a size 13 shoe, so my feet stick out pretty far. And it only folds up to here, but that's by design, because when you fold it, it folds into that flat position. You also have this little storage area here. You can store a lot of belongings in there. Also, if you have if you need the joystick on the left side, you can easily take this wiring and feed it on this side, and then you remove this cap, and you can put the joystick on this side and tighten it with this. Pretty easy to do. So let me put this back on. We'll tighten this down. Then I'm going to connect this.
Hey, quick announcement. Just wanted to let you know we are giving away a free mobility scooter. In order to be eligible for the giveaway, all you have to do is subscribe to our YouTube channel, and then also comment on any video. It can be this video, or it can be any video on our channel. Once you do those 2 things, you'll be eligible for our next giveaway. We are doing this monthly, and we will announce this on all of our social media platforms when the winner is announced. So just wanted to let you know. Now back to the video.
Another great feature about the Airhawk that's pretty unique is this is a memory foam cushion, but when you remove it, if I remove this here, and I can remove this part of it as well, and you'll notice there's little straps here. So with these straps, they're Velcro straps, and you can make this more firm or more loose, depending on your preference. Now on the seat back, you can actually do the same thing, make it more firm or tight. So if I remove this, you can see there's Velcro straps here. So you can also adjust the lumbar there. Really like that. Armrests do flip up, really easy to do.
So when you order a product that's made by Discover Your Mobility, you actually get a lot of free stuff that comes with it. And I'm going to go over that with you real quick. So what you're going to receive is an umbrella, which can be mounted to your mobility scooter or electric wheelchair. You're also going to get touch-up paint. You're going to receive an arm bag holder that can go on the armrest. You're going to get a cup holder. Now this cup holder is for a mobility scooter, and this cup holder is for the electric wheelchair. You're going to get a cane holder. You're going to get a safety flag. You're going to get an oxygen tank holder. You're going to get a car charger. And you're going to get a headlight, and this is also a horn as well. And you're going to get a cover. So you get all this stuff for free. Share that with you. Now back to the video.
And let me show you how to fold, which is I think the really unique thing about this chair. So the first thing I'm going to do is flip up the foot plate. The next thing I'm going to do is remove the cushion. Just the seat cushion is fine. Now that I've done that, there's a wire here. This will disengage the seat back and allow you to fold this. So if I pull this, now I can fold it. I can fold it up like that. But it even gets more compact than this. So at this point, I can flip these armrests all the way back like this. It's probably a good idea to remove the joystick, especially if you're traveling. Actually, let me do that real quick. All right. And then you can press these two levers and fold the seat back down. So now it's at the most compact position. So if I don't have anything in the storage bag, this is super compact. It's probably less than 12 inches of how flat this gets. So you can put this underneath of a cruise ship. This is a great chair for airline travel, cruise ship travel. So I like it for that purpose. Unfolding it, super easy. Here's a little thing I think to point out, which could trip people up when they first get this. So you can see right now I can't move the seat back of the chair back any further than that. I have to pull that same lever that I pulled previously to allow it to go all the way back. Now it's in the lock position. And we're going to attach the joystick, and that's it. Super easy. Really nice compact design. And just really a great portable solution. So here's your remote to this. This comes standard. Now you can add elevating leg rest. That's an add-on option. You can add a headrest, which is another add-on option. You can mount the joystick to the back, which is also an add-on option. But to save money, if you're comfortable with using a remote, you can use this as an Attendant remote. So if I press this power button, you'll see that a Bluetooth symbol will show up here. That means this is paired with the remote. So now I can operate this. And the reason I really like this is because instead of being mounted to the back and walking behind them, you can walk beside them, the user, and talk to them, have that face-to-face interaction. So I really like that for that purpose. You can also change the speed control setting, pressing this button. So it'll just cycle through. But you can see it only gets up to speed 3 on this. Is the max. We also have the ability to lock the chair too. So if I hit this lock symbol, you can see this turns into a lock. Now it's like an anti-theft system. So now you can't use this, even if you turned it on. So I like that feature, but in order to unlock it, to unlock it, I want to hit this unlock symbol, and now you can see it's unlocked again. So I wanted to share that with you. I think this is important, and the fact that it comes standard is really nice. One other thing I'll show you too. So if I disconnect this remote, which I have to turn this off, turn it back on. So I'm going to disconnect the remote. The speed control on the remote only gets up to gear 3, but you can get it up to gear 5 just on the joystick. So you cannot do that on the remote. You can only get up to 3.
Hey, I just want to let you know real quick, we do have a physical catalog that we can send to you, and it is free. It's not of all of our products, but it is of our top sellers. You can give us a call at the number below and just provide your information to the representative that answers, and we'll get it sent out to you. You can also click on free catalog at the top of our website, just fill out that short form and submit it. And once we receive that information, you'll receive that catalog in about 10 days. All right, back to the video.
This chair also performs well in the grass. So I will drive it in some grass and show you guys. I also feel like it handles inclines very well too. It's also super quiet, which I really like that. And honestly, it performs just as well in the grass as it does on a flat surface like concrete. So if you have any questions about the Airhawk, give us a call. We're open every day. Our phone number is 1-800-682-9444, or just visit us at electricwheelchairsusa.com. We'd love to earn your business. Thanks so much for watching. You guys have an awesome day.